This is my final project video for mobile development. So for my final project I did a water calculator for how much water you should drink in a day. So I have the icon as just a water drop. Click into it. So it's kind of based off the Date Night app. I thought that was a really nice layout. So we'll just go through and test it. We'll put 80, 50, 18, activity, 60 minutes a day, and then our results. You should be drinking 97 ounces of water each day. So I'll go through how this works. Basically, I just use a model that has our just the water amount calculator in it, and then the get water calculator method. So basically I just parsed them all out to make sure everything is in there, and then we actually did the calculation. So you have your weight, and then you divide that by 2.2, and then if you're under 30, then it should be your calculated weight times 40. If you're over 30 but less than 55, then it should be 35, and then if you're over 55, then it should be 30. And then activity, that's just kind of a different variable. There's a lot of different ways you can calculate if you have exercise put in there, but I just did, if you're doing more than 60 minutes a day, you add 40 ounces. They say you should add about 40 ounces for every hour of exercise you're doing each day. And then I just took and rounded them up, and that was that. Real simple app. I just thought it was nice because we kind of used everything that we learned in this semester. So, yeah, this is my final project.